Hi everyone! If you like sewing, quilting, embroidery, or fiber art, well, then you are just like I am, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel today. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Clare Rowley. I'm the inventor of the Creative Feet line of sewing machine products. I'm also known as the lady with the painted sewing machine, and I've been teaching for over 36 years. It has been my passion all of these years to help you get from inspired to creating inspiration, things that people will wonder how you ever did it, and without physically hurting yourself. As all of my products I designed for a specific person in mind. For instance, I designed one foot for a woman who was born blind and deaf, another for someone who couldn't open her hands. Just imagine what you can do with products that allow you to sew even if you don't have good vision or hand-eye coordination. If you've ever felt like you just can't sew straight, well, you found a really good channel. I'm going to help you see that you can achieve even the most challenging of techniques like free motion quilting and embroidery. All you need is the desire, the belief that you can do it, and a little help. Whether you are new to sewing, intermediate, or advanced, I'm sure that you'll find my channel beneficial and hope that you will share it with your friends. And I am always interested in what you have to say. So if you have any questions, if you have any challenge that you've ever had in sewing and you just want to know if I've got a trick for you, and it's very likely that I do, if there's anything that you've ever found challenging in sewing, quilting, embroidery, or any type of fiber art, please feel comfortable in leaving a comment below, and I will do my best to get back to you quickly. And you never know, I may create a video just for you. I have also opened a school. It's called Create with Clare Rowley, and you will find it at create.clarerowley.com. My school is a private social media platform based on just your passion. I hope that you'll join the school and become part of my creative family of people just like you. In the meantime, enjoy your visit to my channel, and thanks for watching.